Hi guys, you are welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to face this problem. So if you're facing this problem, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu like this. You have to scroll down a little bit and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just try to tap on it. Now what you have to do is to just scroll down and try to search for app management or app and preference. So just select this one or tap on this one. Now when you tap on it, you're going to see this. What you have to do is just tap over here on the app list. So when you tap on it, you're going to see it's loading. So after loading, what you have to do is to tap on the search application and try to type in for Roblox. So when you type in Roblox, you're going to see it like this. So tap on it. Now tap on notifications over here. Now what you have to do is to make sure this is turned on like this. Now go back, tap on the permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Now go back, select or tap on the storage and cache, clear cache. So you have to make sure you clear the cache. Then after that, what you have to do is to go back, tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on. Now go back, scroll down, tap on the force stop. Now tap on OK. What you have to do is to tap on this app details. So when you tap on the app details, you're going to get to Google Play Store. Make sure you get the latest update of this Roblox game. So after that, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device. So tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see restart. Select restart and try to restart this. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this video with your friends.